Oh boy, yeah, Mother Nature delivering on that forecast with the snow and the wind and the blowing and drifting snow triggering a lot of the school closures early this morning. Again, it wasn't really the amount of snow, it was all the snow that was getting blown across on those area highways and outlying roadways, especially once you get into the county areas. Right now, though, in Idaho Falls, we're still getting some light snow at this hour. We got temperatures stuck into the 20s, 8-mile-an-hour winds out of the north-northeast, and we'll continue to have those north winds tonight, bringing in some nasty wind chill values. Steady snow in Pocatello. It's coming down really good right now, 23 degrees. Live look at the Farm Bureau Sky Cam. And we got Rexburg also still dealing with some snow, but we're starting to see the snow move a little further south as we're pushing in those winds from the north at 24 degrees. Jackson, it looks like it's just like, what snow in Jackson? They were getting some snow early this morning, but we have since dried up. We're at 16 degrees with a partly cloudy sky. Very active conditions on First Alert Viper radar for areas of the Snake River Plain and points to the south. And the snow is still going to be with us for the next few hours, coming in from the north, pushing towards the south, getting into North Utah and areas of Nevada tonight. Behind that, we're pulling cold, dry conditions with some nasty wind chill values. I want to show you the latest radar estimates. Now, this is just an estimate off the radar. We've gotten many different snow reports. It's been very tough because when you have blowing and drifting snow, you see these snow amounts differ very wildly. About 4 to 6 has been the average around many spots in the Snake River Plains. Some spots even higher than that, and that's what we've been seeing around Pocatello. And then moving into Idaho Falls, a similar story here. About 4 to 6 inches in Ammon and Iona, and about 3 to 5 inches in areas around Idaho Falls in the center part of town here. But once you get into the outlying areas, of course, blowing and drifting snow, a big problem there, especially on the roads that go near empty farmland, because it just gets that snow swept up back over the roadways and causing some slick conditions. We have a wind chill warning that's out tonight for areas of the Upper Valley, Arco Desert, Eastern Highlands, and areas southeast of Pocatello. Wind chill values getting into that sub-zero 20, sub-zero 30 range tonight as we're pulling in the gusty conditions with those north winds. Doesn't take a lot of wind to start knocking down on those wind chill values, but as the skies clear, we're going to be looking for numbers to be plummeting. So here's the system rolling out of the north tonight. We have a deepening area of low pressure that's bringing in the snow, that's bringing in the wind and all that cold air. And that's going to be the forecast working through here for tonight and tomorrow as the core of low pressure swings off towards eastern Utah and western Colorado tomorrow. Cold air rushing down in here from the north, keeping our temperatures well below average for this time of the year with some sub-zero lows. We're going to start to shake off some of the really cold stuff as we get into Thursday and Friday. High pressure starting to nudge back in. It's still going to be very cold for Thursday morning, mind you, with areas of fog, which we'll see here on the Vipercast, but temperatures will start to recover by the weekend. The snow drifting to the south tonight with a clearing sky, winds at 15 to 20, gusts around 35. Then working into Wednesday, cold and sunny weather across the board, just a few clouds closer to Twin Falls and the Mini-Cassia area tomorrow. Then as we get into Thursday morning, there's a chance for some freezing fog development here, and we can expect to get maybe a few flakes, a few flurries from that fog and low-hanging cloud cover. A high of 22 in Preston, 18 in Soda Springs, minus 10 tonight that direction, minus 2 in Lava, minus 5 in McCam tonight. About minus 8 in Rexburg with a high of 17 tomorrow. Minus 8 in Island Park, 25 for the high tomorrow, 17 in Jackson. Mind you also, ITD expects that Highway 20 is probably going to be closed all night tonight and probably won't reopen until tomorrow morning. Temperatures are looking at 18 for Thursday, 32 for Friday in Jackson. We're going to be hitting the upper 20s, low 30s for Saturday and Sunday. And I got my eyes on our next storm system arriving Sunday. Monday and Tuesday of next week, we're expecting to pull in some decent snow yet again. Rexburg, highs around 17 for the next couple of nights, or next couple of days, excuse me. Sub-zero nights and mornings ahead. We're expecting to see mid-20s for Friday and Saturday. Central Idaho, 19 for Mackey, 25 in Salmon with a 0 tonight for the low in Salmon, 4 below in Shoals, 18 below tonight in Stanley. Highs around 30 for Thursday in Salmon. Partly cloudy and quiet weather for the rest of the week as temperatures recover. More snow expected by Monday of next week. Back into the Snake River Plain, going sub-zero tonight. High of 19 for IF and Blackfoot, 20 for Pocatello, about 23 for Aberdeen and American Falls. 8-day forecast for Blackfoot showing us sub-zero lows again for Thursday morning. A high of 18 for Thursday afternoon, 20s for Friday and Saturday. Snow returning late Sunday through Monday and Tuesday. Pocatello, we're going to be about 20 degrees for the next couple of days. We're going to have some wind tomorrow. Lows close to 0, but we expect to see numbers starting to get a bit closer to the average range as we close out this work work week heading into the weekend. Idaho Falls, 19 degrees for the expected high here for Wednesday and Thursday, with sub-zero overnight lows for Thursday morning. We'll hit highs in the low 30s for Sunday. Scattered snow showers arriving Monday and Tuesday to get us started for a new week. Todd, we'll send it back over to you.